Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie. I am in the craft room with an unboxing of the SCT sampler for the month of April. If you've seen any of my previous unboxings, this is a relatively new kit that's available. I just started in January of this year. This will be my fourth kit, and it's through SCT, so Scrapbook and Cards Today, which is normally known for the magazine, but they are putting out this sampler kit, and it's a little bit different than the normal kit, being that you get a sampling of product as opposed to a fully curated kit to make cards or scrapbooking pages with it. So for instance, if a line has an ephemera pack, you'll get a certain number of those embellishments. In your sampler kit, you won't get the whole package, and then as a result, everybody's kit will be slightly different, because depending on what they get from this, or what they get as samples, will determine, what their kit ultimately looks like. So I have no idea what's in here. They don't do any sneak peeks that I'm aware of or anything. So we'll have a look-see and see what goodies this brought forth. So normally what they do is they include a card at the front with some sort of quote, and then on the back they list all the various items that are included. So it looks like we're getting some sampling from the crepe paper Flourish by Maggie Holmes, some basil paper from Jelly Bean Soup Bohemian Brew, from Tailored Expressions, a stamp and die, and a 30% off coupon. From Vicky Wooten Mixed Media, a stencil. From Pink and Main, some glossy dots in silver. And from American Crafts, a chalkboard label. And what seems to be pretty standard with the kits is some sort of acrylic word from Freckled Fawn and SCT. So I'm going to look through it and organize it a little bit so I can tell you exactly what is. In previous videos I've just kind of shown you as is, but I think it would be more helpful to see what goes with what collection. So I will be back in a couple minutes and we'll have a look-see. Okay, I think I have it all sorted out. So let's start with the crepe paper. So we ended up with a number of sheets of pattern paper. This is Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. You get Hummingbird. That's the other side. Always. And like the hearts. Charming. I'm not sure how insects are charming, but I guess they're kind of cute. And then this black dotted stripe. And Poppy. And it's got this kind of painted background, which is really fun. And then we get a specialty paper called Primrose Vellum with Foil, and it's like a, it's either a rose gold or a copper. I can't tell exactly. Depends what light I'm looking in. Maybe rose gold? Anyways, it's really pretty. So that's from the crepe paper, the paper. And then we get some embellishments. So we get some of the gold leaf trim, so that's kind of fun. One little mini tassel. Some of the puffy stickers, so I've got a lemon and then the word love. And then from the standouts, which is like a dimensional sticker sheet, I got this one that says beautiful day. So you could easily make a page using these embellishments. I also got 4 sequins, but I'm not sure what collection they came from. I don't see anything specifically mentioning this, so I'm not sure. I'm going to guess they're from the Maggie Holmes, but I could be wrong on that one. From Basil Paper we get 3 sheets, Flamingo, Aloe Vera, and Rain. At least I think that's the order they are. So 3 sheets of those, and they do coordinate quite well with the Maggie Holmes collection, but they also coordinate pretty well with the Jelly Bean Soup. So this is from Bohemian Brew. The first one is called, I think I've got this going, yeah. The first one's called Happiness, and it's got like this Beetle Volkswagen, not a Beetle, it's a Volkswagen bus, I guess. And then on the back side has this yellow hexagon with some sort of floral in the motif in the middle. And then Content, it's a striped, and the other side is this red dot, which is really easy to use. Calm is this floral print, very pretty, and then a more orangey dot. Love is this dot. I don't know if you can see this. The circles are made up of hearts, small hearts, and the back side on that, it has some floral vases. Yeah. And then the last one is Peace, and it's got a little bit of that 60s vibe with the Volkswagen bus on it. And the other side is this tone-on-tone floral pattern. And then we get the soup label stickers from the same collection. So the colors, of course, obviously coordinate. It says, happy, always, smile, thanks, hi, hugs, you, hello, together, love, and sweet. So that's really nice. I like that. From Tailored Expressions, we get a stamp and die, and it says, hashtag share joy on the outside. That's not the stamp. The stamp looks like it is, I don't know if you can see that, it looks like a little frog, and then the die is the word hello. So that's kind of cool. And from Vicky Booten Mixed Media, we get the stencil. And this is the first time I think I've ever seen stencils with a hole punch. So I guess that's the idea behind the storage, is you stick it in a 3-ring binder. It is a floral motif. I don't know if you can see that very well. Let's see. That helps. So that's kind of cool. And then from Pink and Main, we get glossy dots in silver, and I don't think I've ever seen these before. They're kind of like, I guess, an enamel dot kind of idea, only it's a little more like a bubble. Yeah, I guess, like it's clear, but then it's got a silver base, almost like a mirror finish. I could see my reflection in there. And from American Crafts, a chalkboard label. I've just got one label, just a chalk board. I guess the idea is you can write on this with chalk. I'm not sure how well that would work, or of course you can use it in your scrapbooking. And then also from Tailored Expressions, it came with this what do you call it, project sheet. Yeah, that's a good idea. It lists all the different items that they use to create the little card. There's the little froggy, he's pretty cute. And then gives you instructions. I think that's a fabulous idea. And then down at the bottom it does give you a coupon code. And then the acrylic word is spring, appropriate being April. And that is the kit. So I'm very happy with this. I can easily see myself using this to make some projects. All the information regarding the kit, if it's something that you are interested in, can be found at scrapbookandcards.com. You can just Google SCT sampler. Just to reiterate, it's $12 a month if you subscribe for a year, and that includes shipping and handling. So you get all of this stuff for $12, including shipping and handling. I believe if you're in Canada, there is some tax that is added on top, so that's something to keep in mind. You have the option to do a 6-month or a 3-month, and the price goes up slightly. So if you only do a 3 months, it's now $15 instead of $12. They do kind of have a pre-order period. So like if you were to subscribe now, I think their period is the 15th to the 25th. So if you subscribe between the 15th and the 25th of April, I believe you will get your first kit in June. But don't quote me on that. Make sure you check out the website, and I'm sure if you do subscribe, they'll tell you when you will receive your first kit. So I'm very excited about this. Can't wait to get using it. And until next time, happy crafting.